If I was starting from zero today and I wanted to make money online in Kenya, I would begin with a very simple mindset. I would not think about becoming rich quickly. I would not chase shortcuts or promises of easy money. Instead, I would focus on building something small, real, and steady. Making money online is possible, but it follows the same rules as any other work. You must give value, learn skills, stay patient, and improve every day. The first thing I would do is understand why I want to make money online. This is important because many people start and stop quickly. If my reason is strong, I will continue even when things are slow. Maybe I want to pay rent, support my family, save for business, or gain financial freedom. I would write this reason down and remind myself every day. When things get difficult, that reason will push me forward. Next, I would look at what I already have. I would not wait for perfect tools. If I have a smartphone, that is enough to begin. If I have a laptop, that is even better. I would make sure I have internet access, even if it is just daily bundles. I would also make sure I have a working mobile money account like M-Pesa, because this is the easiest way to receive money in Kenya. I would create a professional email address using my real name so that I can register on online platforms. After that, I would choose one clear path to follow. This is where many people go wrong. They try everything at once. Today they are doing surveys, tomorrow they try trading, the next day they try blogging. This confusion wastes time. If I were starting, I would pick one method and focus on it fully. The best method for beginners is freelancing because it does not need capital. It only needs effort and skill. If I choose freelancing, I would ask myself what I can do for others. Maybe I can write simple English. Maybe I can design using Canva. Maybe I can manage social media pages. Maybe I can edit videos using simple apps. I would not worry about being perfect. I would just choose one skill and begin improving it. To learn the skill, I would use free resources. I would go to YouTube and search for beginner lessons. I would watch videos daily and practice at the same time. If I am learning writing, I would write every day. If I am learning design, I would create posters every day. If I am learning video editing, I would edit short clips every day. Learning without practice is useless. Practice turns knowledge into income. Within 1 to 2 weeks, I would not wait to become an expert. I would create simple sample work. If I am a writer, I would write 2 or 3 articles. If I am a designer, I would create a few sample posters. If I am a social media manager, I would create sample posts for a fake brand. These samples will help me show clients what I can do. After preparing samples, I would create accounts on freelancing platforms. I would write a simple and clear profile. I would explain what I do, how I help clients, and why they should choose me. I would not copy others. I would keep it honest and simple. Then I would start applying for jobs. This is where discipline matters. Every day, I would send many proposals. I would not send 1 or 2 and then wait. I would send at least 10 to 20 proposals daily. In the beginning, many clients will ignore me. Some will reject me. That is normal. I would not take it personally. I would continue applying. When writing proposals, I would keep them short and focused. I would not write long stories. I would explain how I will solve the client's problem. For example, if a client needs a writer, I would say I can write clear and engaging content. If a client needs a designer, I would say I can create clean and attractive designs. I would also attach my sample work. For my first jobs, I would not focus too much on high pay. I would focus on getting experience and reviews. Even if I earn a small amount like Kenya shillings 1,000 or Kenya shillings 2,000, it is still a good start. That first money is very important because it proves that online income is real. After that, I can increase my rates slowly. While doing freelancing, I would also think about long-term growth. Freelancing is good, but it depends on clients. To grow further, I would start building my own platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media page. I would choose one platform and stay consistent. If I choose a blog, I would write about topics that people search for, such as business ideas, making money, or skills. I would write helpful articles in simple English. Over time, the blog can bring traffic and income through ads or affiliate marketing. If I choose YouTube, I would create videos that teach or explain things. I would use my phone to record and simple apps to edit. I would not wait for perfect equipment. I would focus on giving value. Over time, I can earn through ads, sponsorships, or selling products. If I choose social media, I would post helpful content daily. I would share tips, ideas, and experiences. I would build an audience. Once I have an audience, I can promote products or services and earn money. Another method I would consider is selling products online. This can be physical or digital products. Physical products include clothes, electronics, or accessories. I can start small by buying a few items and selling them on WhatsApp or Facebook. I would take clear pictures and write simple descriptions. I would use M-Pesa to receive payments. Digital products are even better because they do not need storage or delivery. I can create an ebook, a guide, or templates. For example, if I learn how to make posters, I can sell poster templates. If I learn writing, I can sell guides on writing. Once created, digital products can be sold many times. Affiliate marketing is another option I would explore. This means promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale. I would share links on my blog, YouTube, or social media. When people buy through my link, I earn money. This works well if I have an audience. As I continue working online, I would manage my money carefully. When I start earning, I would not spend everything. I would save a portion and reinvest in my work. For example, I can buy better internet, better tools, or courses to improve my skills. Growth needs reinvestment. I would also stay careful about scams. Many people lose money online because they believe in easy promises. I would avoid any opportunity that asks me to pay before I earn. I would avoid schemes that promise to double money quickly. Real work takes time and effort. Consistency would be my biggest focus. I would work every day, even if it is just for a few hours. Some days will be slow. Some days will be frustrating, but I would keep going. Success online is not about one big action. It is about small actions repeated every day. As months pass, I would improve my skills and increase my rates. I would look for better clients who pay more. I would specialize in one area. For example, instead of being a general writer, I can become a business writer. Specialization helps me earn more because I become more valuable. I would also build relationships with clients. Good clients can bring repeat work. They can also refer me to others. This makes work easier because I do not have to search for new jobs all the time. Over time, I would aim to build multiple income streams. I would not depend on one source. I can combine freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, and product selling. This creates stability. If one source slows down, others can support me. If I look at a realistic timeline, the first month would be for learning and trying. I may earn little or nothing. The second and third months, I may start earning small amounts like Kenya shillings 10,000 to Kenya shillings 30,000. After that, with consistency, I can grow to Kenya shillings 50,000 or more per month. The journey is not easy, but it is possible. Many people in Kenya are already doing it. The difference between those who succeed and those who fail is simple. Those who succeed take action and stay consistent. Those who fail keep waiting for the perfect time. If I were starting today, I would not wait. I would begin with what I have. I would choose one path, learn one skill, and take daily action. I would accept slow progress and focus on improvement. Step by step, I would build my income and create a better future. Making money online in Kenya is real. It is not magic. It is work. But for those who are willing to learn, practice, and stay consistent, it can change everything.